Stay sweet. New day. What's your new thing? To ask, what is the matter of being a friend? Being a friend is being a zombie. Being a bully. Being a frenemy. Being a teaser. And being a video. Yeah. Also, being a friend. You know, sometimes some people just overreact, and some people just start to want to, you know what I mean. Like maybe they want to stop being a glitter girl, glitter boy, popular. They start overreacting, stop being a bully, stop being a teaser, and that's pretty much it. So, if there's a bully or a popular person that you don't like, just ignore them. Go tell the teacher. And that's pretty much all. So, yeah. Bye. Oh, wait a second. My intro. Oh no. I should stop this again. Nah, I shouldn't. Okay, I will try. Well, that's pretty much it. Bye. Shane Richie Chan, oh Shane Richie Chan.